So maybe you're new to the whole real estate business, or maybe you're a veteran who's been using traditional marketing methods. Lately, you've finally been convinced to give online marketing a try. But how exactly do you get started? Don't worry, because here's a quick 5-point primer on how to get started with online marketing for real estate. First point, start out with a plan. Though it sounds obvious, this might actually be a pretty challenging part, especially for those just starting out. You will need to determine your target audience by answering these 3 important questions. Number 1, do you cater to a niche market? Number 2, do you specialize in certain neighborhoods? Number 3, would you rather serve first-time home buyers or those looking for their second or third homes? Or both? Being able to clearly answer these questions will help you set the tone and look of your entire online marketing campaign. It will also aid with strategic marketing decisions down the line. Second point, get a website. Chances are you've already done this. However, a good real estate site should at least contain your contact information, your listings, a property search tool that visitors can use to search for properties that fit their needs, content that is related to your niche or specialization, depending on how you answered the questions in the first part of this video. This usually involves items such as predefined searches and other useful information that is related to your specialty. Last but not least, useful tools and information such as free mortgage calculators, interesting blog posts, or educational ebooks that again are related to your specialization. Keep in mind that the ultimate goal of your website is to help you gain leads and close deals. To do that, you need to keep your site visitors browsing your site for as long as possible, or at least keep them coming back regularly. Oh, and by the way, in case you don't have a website yet, make sure to check us out at myrealpage.com. We offer full-service real estate sites as well as listings-only tools that you can use with existing sites in case you already have one. Moving on to point 3, join social media. Now that you have your main real estate website, it's also very helpful to get in social media. And we're not talking about your personal Facebook or Twitter accounts either. Instead, you will need accounts that are specifically for business and professional use. These business accounts will carry your brand and will serve as its official voice. Point 4, tell everyone about your online presence. Now that you have your online headquarters set up, it's time to let people know that it's there and that they should come over. Invite friends, family, colleagues, or maybe even previous clients to visit your website. Ask people to follow your business social media accounts. Start including links to your site and professional social media accounts in your email signatures, brochures, and even your business cards. As long as you don't get too pushy about it, feel free to spread the word as much as you can. Point 5, maintain and monitor. Once you have your first readers and followers, no matter how many that may be, make sure that you keep tabs on and regularly update your website and social media accounts. Remember that the goal is to ensure that your accounts don't look abandoned, so be sure to post something regularly. It can be interesting news articles, funny but relevant pictures, polls, questions, or maybe even just a simple hello from you and small updates on what you've been up to. It may sound like a chore, but don't worry because it's easier than it sounds and there are ways to automate this. And there you go! The 5 basic points we've just discussed should be enough to get you started on the road to being an online marketing rockstar. With a bit of time and learning, you're bound to gain traction and get those leads rolling in. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please do give it a quick thumbs up below and share it around. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay updated on the latest videos from My Real Page.